Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a MySQL database in Hostinger and access it with Phpmyadmin. Whether you're new to website management or have some experience, mastering database management is essential. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to streamline your database setup process. First, open your web browser and head over to hostinger.com, or simply type hpanel.hostinger.com to access Hostinger's user-friendly interface. Once there, you'll find an intuitive dashboard that provides access to all your web hosting management tools. Within this dashboard, locate and click on the Databases section. This area serves as the control center for all your database-related tasks, offering a clear overview of what is installed and what can be added or adjusted. Familiarizing yourself with this section is crucial for effectively organizing and maintaining your site's backend data. Next, click on Management to gain hands-on control over your database. This section is your command center for setting up and managing your backend systems. Now it's time to name your SQL database. Choose a name that is both recognizable and relevant to its purpose. Best practices suggest keeping it succinct yet descriptive. After naming your database, click the Create button to initiate the creation process. This step quickly sets up your database on the server. With your new SQL database established, navigate back to your main workspace and click on Phpmyadmin. This web interface allows you to interact with your SQL databases efficiently, managing tables, running queries, importing and exporting data, and more. Finally, click on Enter Phpmyadmin. With this, you've successfully set up and accessed your database. Phpmyadmin serves as a comprehensive command center for all your database management needs. There you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively set up a MySQL database using Hostinger. Thank you for joining this session, and happy database managing.